Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be doing a comparison between the all-new Otterbox Symmetry Series 360 for the iPad Pro 11-inch and Spigen Standfolio. Let's check them out. So I've done reviews on both of these cases for the all-new iPad Pro 11-inch. Now, I will say that both of these are excellent cases in their own respects. Both of them have magnetic clasps. Both of them offer a sturdy amount of protection. But what we're going to do today is pit them head to head and see which one is going to be best for you. Over here, this one is made by Otterbox. This one is the 360 Symmetry series. This offers 360 protection all the way around. It's going to give you this nice hard front. Also, it gives you different modes of viewing, different viewing angles. Let's get this one on the iPad, and I'm going to just show you what we mean. Closes just like that. You're able to either use it that way or either add your Apple Pencil to the outside for safekeeping. That is one of the biggest pluses for this actual tablet. Apple's own tablet cover does not allow you to keep your pencil hidden. So that's a big one-up for Otterbox for doing that. That feature alone was one of the biggest selling points for this case for me. Another thing that was a huge selling point is I'm able to get the different viewing angles. Now, once you're up like that, and then you flip it over and you get your typing mode for on the go. When you flip this case all the way back and you want to just hold it like this, the magnetic clasp holds the back in place so it's not flopping around everywhere. And like I said, the charging ability of the Apple Pencil is one of the biggest selling points for this. Sleep wake feature is intact, just like that. Oh, let's get it closed. Sleep wake. Up top, all of my speakers, my mics, everything. Down bottom, charging port, everything is good to go. It is a very nice tablet cover, and you get to see my Apple insignia on the back. Just like that. Now you're gonna pay $80 for this. You can only get this on the Otterbox website, and you can get them at the Apple Store. Two places: Apple Store, Otterbox website, and they actually have a black one. If you go to the Otterbox website, you can get this in black or this gray that I have. Hopefully, more colors will be coming soon. And this one here, this is the Standfolio by Spigen, or Spigen, however you call them. Either or, they make a decent product. Now, I will tell you that this product is a little bit heavier, a little bit harder than the front. Now, we know that the Otterbox is going to give it that 360 protection, but this one also gives you a 360 hard and front and back. So you got a hard front and back on this one. You actually have a folder up front where you can keep paperwork. So this one is more geared towards the business type person. The leather outside or the faux leather outside. We're going to put this in. Now it actually clamps into a hard shell right here on the inside. So we're going to place that in. We do not support pencil charging, just to let you guys know. There is a pencil holder right here. You're going to trade off that charging for the holder. You have multiple viewing angles, just like that. Only two though. You do not have a true typing mode that you can flip this over and type with. You do get those standing angles though. Another thing, that clip, if you don't want it dangling around, you can just fold it to the back. Since it is magnetic, it latches onto the back. If you need to turn this around and do a presentation, if you're holding your tablet, you're going to take use of this handle in the back. It has rubberized holders on it, just like that. You'll be able to hold your tablet and show it off just like that. We're going to take this little metallic clip off, and it will fold around and it will keep your back from being floppy, just like so. This is going to offer you a great deal of protection. Only deal with this one is it is a little bulky. It's heavy. So if you're carrying this around at work, if you're carrying this around from meeting to meeting, it's going to be a little heavy, but it's going to give you protection, and it's going to offer you pockets, and it will also house that Apple Pencil. Also, this case does not do sleep wake functionality, so that's a big thing to keep in mind. These cases both are great in their own respects, their own ways. They're good cases. This one is going to cost you $80. This one over here, you can pick this one up on their website, spigen.com, or you can go to Amazon and get it. I'll make sure I leave a link below to both of these, but this one is going to run you about $25. Like I said, it has a good magnet on it. It's a little bit heavier, a little bit more bulky, but it's going to give you a hard front and a hard back. Where this one only gives you the hard back. Front is made out of a microfiber lining and the plasticky material on the front. So not as protective over here on the front, but it will hold and charge your Apple Pencil, and it is lighter. More protective over here, does not hold the Apple Pencil and charge it, but does hold it, and is a little bit heavier. So you make up your mind. Which one is going to be best for you? $80 over here, Otterbox. $25 over here, Spigen. Hope this is able to help someone make up their mind. There are not a lot of cases out there right now, so go and pick you up something to protect that very precious iPad that you have. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.